Hi, good morning. In this video, we are going to design a graduation money holder for your laser, and I am using LightBurn to do this, okay? I will leave a link in the description where you can get the blank money holder template, as well as this little cap that I created, okay? So to get started, you're just going to bring your blank money holder template into LightBurn or your design program of choice, okay? And then I'm going to take my little cap and I am going to move this around and decide where I want it and how I want it positioned. And I think I'm just going to do this right here. Now I'm just winging this, as we go. So now I'm going to open up my text tool and I want to write congrats, and I want to use the font Milkshake for this. All right, and I've got that. So we will bring this down, and I think I'm going to put it right here next to the cap. All right, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, I'm going to convert that text to a path, and I'm going to weld it. All right, that makes sure if you are selling your file or giving your file away once it's done, that this font will stay intact. If you leave it as a font file or a text file, when somebody downloads this and opens it on their computer, if they don't have that particular font installed, it won't work right. Okay, so when you convert it to a path, you make sure that it will stay exactly as it is when it is downloaded and opened on another computer. Okay, so now we're going to go back here, and I want to write the word grad, but I don't want that font. So I'm just going to start at the top here and look through. Here we go. Sports Champ Simple. I like that. It's like a school kind of font. And we're just going to make that really big and stick that right there. And again, we're going to right click it, convert to path, and then we're going to weld that together. All right, so now we have our cap, our congrats, and grad here. And I think I want to add, well, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to select these three items right here, okay? And we're going to group those together. And now I'm going to give it an offset. And I think I want to give it an offset of about 1/8 of an inch. There we go. And we're going to turn that outline into a cut line. All right. Now we're going to bring that right back down here, and we're going to sit it on our blank template. We're going to select that too, and we're going to go to the top, and we're going to center these. Okay. Now we're going to select the red outline, the cut line on the congrats grad, and we're going to select the line for the money holder itself. Now I'm going to click Control B and bring up my Boolean assistant, and we are just going to click Union and join those together. Now you see it's one cut file or one cut line, okay, and then your engraving is inside of it. All right, now that we've done that, I think I'm going to go over here to my art library and into my elements, and I have some stars here. I think I want to put some stars on this. We're just going to make them smaller, move them around, just put a couple just for some added. There we go. Let's bring this little guy down, make him even smaller. Yeah, and let's do one more. So we'll duplicate this guy and change his size, make him even smaller. Let's make this one a little bigger. All right, and there we have it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my engraving for the design, and I'm going to click Shift, and then I'm going to select all the stars, and I'm going to group that all together. Okay, that means all my engraving is one layer. All right, and now with this design, what I really like how we've done this is there is still room down here at the bottom. If you have, you can customize this. So let's say, there we go. And you can put the graduate's name right in the bottom, or you can customize it and put the graduation year. In fact, let's do that. I like that. Let's make this a little smaller so it fits in here. And there we go. I really like that. Move it over just a little bit. All right, and again, we're going to convert that to path, and we're going to weld it together. And then I will select that and the rest of the engraving part of the design and group them together. And there you have it. A easy peasy, congrats grad, class of 2024, money holder. I am going to send this to my laser, and we'll take a look at it when it is cut. All right, so I will be back in just a little bit. All right, and here is the finished money holder. Unfortunately, I am one of those people that use my debit card for everything. So do you think I can even find a dollar bill anywhere to show you how this works? Of course not. You just roll up the money and slide it over the end there in the center. And it's a really cute way to give a gift of cash. This needs cleaned up a little bit. You know, I have some soot here along the edges. I should have masked it, but I didn't because I was just in a rush to do the design and the cut. You can see it came out really nice, and it would make a great way to give a gift of money to a graduate. So you saw how easy it was to design this. If you don't want to go through the time and effort of making your own, I am also going to leave the link so you can get this completed design, both with the class of 2024 on the bottom and blank. So if you wanted to add a name, you can do that too. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time.